What's up, guys? Cars Across Texas here today, and we are a little late, but we're out at the Twin Peaks meet once again. Still quite a few cars here, so we're gonna get some of them rolling out. I did forget my memory card at home this time. I just can't get it right. I don't know why, but we're back on the phone once again. And no, maybe this will just become the new normal because I can't seem to get this right. Also, I need a new camera. I don't know if you can see that huge crack in my screen. Who knows? We'll figure something out, but we're here. Let's get a video. We do have another Viper here, an orange TA 1.0 with the license plate GED 2014. Is that when he got his GED? I think. Oh no! Not the bike! It just looks so good. The TA 1.0. The biggest thing with these cars that I think every Viper needs is the TA 1.0 carbon spoiler. Every Viper needs that. It's a must. So nice. I'm jealous. We got a Morgan three-wheeler here. How often do you see these? And you got a boosted Prelude with the hood exit. Okay, I see you, brother. But I do see a Z06 also rolling out, so we got to go get him. Eco safe. What a license plate. Brother, don't leave yet. I'm coming. Brother, don't leave yet. I'm coming. Ah! Ooh, nice GT500. Yes, sir. Some other really great factory wheels. And we got this choppy boy rolling out. So we got some boosty boys over here. D1X Pro Charged Mustang. We got the Cam C6 Grand Sport. Some other goodies, little 5th Gen SS. You got the drop tops C6 in Le Mans Blue, one of my favorite colors on the C6 Corvette, among other things. You got the Texas Truck Gladiator, Mustangs, Corvettes. We are a little late, like I said, but it is okay. A little Trackhawk over there next to the supercharged V6 Challenger. Some more cars over here. All sorts of stuff. We'll speed through the show. I'm not gonna bore y'all with too much commentary or anything like that. I do see a dog over there that I'd like to see, and I do see Max's turbo 5th Gen Camaro back up and running just in time for TX2K. We got that little Volkswagen truck thing over there, the teal on teal. A little Lightning pulling in, and then of course another Gen 5 Viper, white with the purple stripe. That's kind of crazy looking. I like it though. But what I'm telling you boys, it needs the TA 1.0 wing, and then it'd be perfect. But the stripe color is very, very nice. It's like a deep midnight purple. I like that. I get the dog. We got a little dog vlog going on. Look at him.
Is that her?
Her. Look at her. Oh my goodness. You are so precious. Hello. Hello. You are so precious. Alright, another spicy little unit over here. We got the AMG GTR. Got the carbon fiber wing out back looking good. C6 ZR1 on some signature wheels looking amazing as well. We love to see that. Another C6 ZR1 in black. And then one of these things is not quite like the others. Up here with the C6 ZR1s, we have an absolutely stunning matte silver F8 Tributo. This thing looks so good. The matte silver with the red interior, quite nice. We're doing some more running. Well, not really running, more like a little power walking. The Z06 rolling out again. And to turn me. Looking good. Looking so good. He made a little bit of noise pulling out his parking spot. Let's see if that translates to its end. A little bit. Oh yeah, the C8 giving it some gas. This guy is for sure making more horsepower than these little Michelin Pilot Sports can hold. Mini Cooper also rolling in. More power. The F8 Tributo. Already leaving. And trying to give it the beans. Traction control was not having it though. And there's a cop that has taken position down the road right there. Little Mustang boy rolling out, looking good. The Alfa Romeo sending it for the boys. And the cop's not going after anybody, so that's cool. This guy's hinting. Nothing. Cops don't care in Shenandoah, Texas. Oh wait, oh he's going. He's going after the vet. The vet wasn't even that crazy. Alrighty, brother. This man looks like he's gonna be a little rowdy. The astute viewer will notice he's got the 18 plus stock rims on his 15 to 17 S550 Mustang. And then behind him, well, hold on. Two cylinders, two seats, three wheels, and one queen that looks over the country that produces these things. We got the Morgan three-wheeler with the side pipes and everything. Quite incredible. I think this is the second one of these that I've ever seen. It ain't gonna be fast, but it's fantastic. Quite incredible, if you ask me, brother. So while I wait for cars to leave, Allie has made her home in the trunk of the Explorer, playing some Animal Crossing. A boosty boy. Boosty boys. Got the boosted 5.0 in the GT500. Following suit, heading out. That thing's damn loud. Oh, the GT500 pulling in. What's up, buddy? Get a Z06 rolling out. Where did this come from? Okay. I got the C4 and then a Murcielago. What? I want to say this is also a manual Murcielago too. It is. Incredible. What is going? There's a whole lot to unpack here.
That's kind of badass, whatever it is.
We got Max in the twin turbo 5th gen. This car's so sick. Then following him, we got the single turbo 5th gen. They might actually both be single turbos. I don't know what Max's setup is. He won't tell me. He's definitely a single turbo. The cop sent it. Okay, brother. Oh my God, brother. it's like a Frankenstein El Camino. There's so many different parts on this thing, but I like it. It's definitely unique. You got the Corvette taillights and the center exits exhaust, and his license plate was 85 Elko. So I guess it's based off an 85, but modernized a little bit, quite a bit. I thought he was much more modified. And he used to have CCWs on, but hey, brother, I get it. Gas prices are high. You don't want a big gas guzzling canned V8, I suppose. Woohoo! Black on black, choppy boy C6Z. Oh baby, gotta love it. I'm what you call lazy, so we're gonna sit here and get this S3 rolling out from a distance. Quite an assortment of dream cars for me. 2 C6 ZR1s and a Gen 5 Viper rolling out. Couldn't ask for much better. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Incredible. Really quick. Look at this beauty. Oh my goodness. Got a GT350 and a little drift car going on. That's nice. We got this thing. LS Top drift car. That's a pretty crazy look. Purple holographic C5. Thing's clean. The bops are back. Harris County Sheriff. Ain't in that county, brother. Ah, yes, here comes the car that I wanted to see leave the boosted Prelude right out of this little Hellcat wide body. Red eye sending it. Yes. I guess that'd be yes, ma'am. That's a lady-driven Hellcat. The cars that I really want to see are always like the last ones to leave, like the TA Viper in the drift car over there. Here we do have the supercharged V6 Challenger. Yes, here we go. We got a good little lineup about to come through. We got the old Volkswagen pickup, the teal on teal boy with the BBSs. Yes, sir. I love it. And we got the TA 1.0 Viper, looking absolutely incredible. And then the Boxster, or the Spider, I guess. Oh no, the Porsche! He sent it, and the cow started pulling forward. Don't you dare do it. Okay, good. He's letting the Porsche guy be. Look at this old school thing. Incredible. The cars I want to see are always the last to leave. I want to watch that drift car come out. I don't know how much action we'll be getting with the cop down there, but I might have to go. I don't know if I can outlast him. It's like 3 o'clock and I haven't eaten anything. Look at that. Yes, you know, your casual Woodlands traffic, 720 Spider, no big deal. Alright, boys, hopefully you enjoyed today's video here at the Twin Peaks meet. We're gonna head out. I'm gonna go get some food because I'm very hungry. Not a long one, but some great cars. Nothing too crazy either on the Sen side of things, but there was a cop kind of chilling, waiting for everybody. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. It's gonna be a quick video, but still a good one nonetheless. And I'll catch you in the next one.